So guys, today I've had a few deliveries today. One of them being this. Let me just turn the camera. I've ordered D4 ATF to replace the transmission fluid, and I did get the diff oil as well. But more excitingly, look what has arrived. What is this? Oh my god. To be fair, getting out of this packaging is going to be a nightmare because it's so heavy. But yeah, Xtreme clutch performance kit. Let's see if I can open that without taking out the box. Out of the way. Fucking hell. Trying to open the box with all the dogs here. Right. I might have to get this one out quickly and then open it up and show you. So, 2 seconds. Right, so I've got them out of the box. This is me seeing it first as well, so let's have a look. Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, this is what I've ordered as well. This one, these are both like plastic or polyurethane or something like that. So I've ordered a brass one, so that's coming as well. Got a little sticker. Yeah, how to install it, yada yada yada. That's fair enough. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, maybe not. Another packaging. Not yet. We play ball in a second. Oi. Right, let's have a look. Oh my god, there it is. So what you get in here, you get the alignment tool, which is quite a... No. So yeah, you get an alignment tool, and you also get a dog eating your box. So you get the alignment tool, all the bolts needed for the crank and face bearing as well, and obviously the clutch. So let me get this out of the packaging a little bit better, guys. This is the clutch. It comes with a single mass flywheel made out of chromoly. Obviously I would take all of this off and show you bit by bit, but I don't want to put my greasy hands on it, and I want someone else to do it for me instead, because it's such a big job, and this cost a lot of money and I don't want to fuck it up. So that's what's happening. If you guys wanted to know how much it cost, I'll put it right here. But yeah, if you want to get yourself one of these, watch this video, and yeah, I'll give you my opinions on it later on in this video. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you in a sec. Bye. Just dropping this baby at your motor club. The clutch is getting done. Unfortunately, I can't video it, but... What's on, guys? I'm in the good old trusty 1.2 Clio. I'm on my way to Alan's garage at your motor club to see if my car is done. He did tell me it's finished, but obviously he wanted to check over it, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So what we're doing is we're making our way there now, and let's go see Alan and see how he's getting on. So I'll see you when we arrive. Oh, fucking Jesus, man. This Clio's a fucking beast, man. Oh, we're nearly here. But I'm hoping it's done and it's outside. If it is, it's brilliant. We shall see. Here we go. Oh, things outside. It must be done. It must be done. So we've arrived, and let's go see Alan. Let's fucking do it. Right, so we're just here at Alan's garage, and as you can see, he has fitted the clutch. It's been fitted on this bearing here. There's a little bit of play on it, so that was gone. All of this is completely gone. I'm not sure what he did say that was. It could be oil scoring or something like that. It's literally everywhere on these. But yeah, if you look at the clutch, it's pretty battered. It's not went all the way down to the rivets, so obviously the oil, something that was actually getting on the clutch, has completely ruined it. So that's what it is. He's done all the fluid. He's even done this is the pivot pin that was on about. Obviously I didn't show you the brass one, but this is what it is, and all brand new bolts, etc., as you do, and a washer. So it's all in there. Got some leftover fluid as well, just in case I ever need to do it again, and keep this alignment tool tucked away safe just in case. But yeah, this is the Clio that Matt lent me to drive in. It's from my trusty daily driver. I'll do a video on this actually, it's actually quite interesting. But here she is. She's all done. I'm going to take them out for a little spin in a second just to make sure I'm happy with the clutch and everything's running as it should. But I shouldn't have any issues because Alan knows what he's doing. So let's go take him out and have a look. So guys, first start up, obviously it's going to make no difference, this is the clutch. But there's a little sound that I was looking out for with the dual mass that made a little chattering sound. So let's put the windows down and see if it does that. No chattering sound. Just let it warm up a little bit. We're just going to take a few laps around this industrial estate just to get used to the clutch. But it's definitely a lot heavier. So yeah, now we wait. We just wait. So what I'll be doing is I'll be comparing it to obviously the old clutch that I had in there, which is just the standard one you do get from BMW. So it's going to be a considerable amount of difference considering how much torque this can handle. But yeah, as soon as it's warmed up, we'll get a little move on. Obviously I've got to drive it steadily for 300 to 500 miles is recommended for this. So you won't see me doing any stupid burnouts or pulls or anything like that. But yeah, she's warm. That's so you can hear it when my foot's on the clutch. You can hear a little rattling noise, but that is it's not broke. It's just man's got a race car now, bro. Oh, it does. Definitely grabs hard. Holy shit. This is going to be interesting, guys. This grabs so hard. Oh, there we go. First of many. Holy shit. Need to make the revs high so it doesn't stall. There we go. We seem to have caressed it now. Oh, shut up. This is slow. It's going to take some getting used to building up the revs because my old clutch used to see. Not gonna lie, guys, it is so hard to drive this car. But it definitely is a lot different. It just wants to go, if I'm honest. It definitely just wants to go. So what I'll do is I'll take it for a few more laps around here. It's going to take some getting used to, especially in traffic. But yeah. Definitely feels good. It kind of like wants to push you forward all the time. Like 2 seconds, this is not that in the way. See? It's not as hard to drive as I thought it was going to be, not gonna lie. I've driven clutches like this before, obviously not as savage. But you'll get used to it. It's quite heavy, it tries to push you back, but thank God I've done leg day. The only thing I don't like is reversing. But it's definitely like a little race car now. Oh, it grabs hard. I wish I could just floor it for you guys. But I can. It's insane. It really is. Like, I never thought a clutch would be able to take that much power and not be too savage that you can't drive it every day. The only thing I am worried about is going to be parking, because you need to build up the revs a lot to try and actually move this car, so it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but it should be fine nonetheless. But car's running nice and smooth. Sounds fucking sexy as always. And new oil, no clunking in the gearbox. Everything is just insane. Oh, I'm so fucking happy right now, honestly, guys. Fucking let's do another Yui, man. This is awesome, honestly. This is insane. Let's go see Alan, sort out the bill, and I'll see you guys after that, alright? But massive shout out to Alan, fitted me in last minute. I needed this done so bad. I've been without a car for a long time, so shout out to him helping me out. Your Motor Club, I'll drop all the links in the description. So guys, just paid Alan, what a legend. Still got some fluid and stuff left. So what we shall do is we shall take this home, see how it is, and you can laugh at me every time I stall. So let's go. Whoa! Steady on, lad. Oh, it's so smooth, guys. Hill starting's gonna be a bastard on traffic. See, that was smooth balls. Well done, boy. Right. We're coming onto public roads. Oh shit, son. Like, the clutch, it's about mid, like right in the middle, like bang on. You've got literally about that much, well, I don't know, I'd say about like that much room for error. So it's not as bad as people say, but obviously it's not running yet, and it's my first experience, because obviously it could get a bit more snappier as it beds in, and obviously it can get a bit more aggressive when it's hot. But today it's fucking bacon, son. This car was the easiest car to drive, but now it's literally flipped and done the total opposite. It is like one of the most hardest cars I've ever tried to drive, nice and smooth. It's different when like it's all bedded in and that, because I can literally give it some beans and it's a bit more manageable. But I'm so happy, guys, that the dual mass flywheel no longer shakes, because it's facked off, it's NE, it's not even here anymore. So we got that done, boys, and yeah, this car is slowly but slowly becoming insane. I'm gonna slow down, put it into second. Oh, we're shaking now, boy. It just wants a bit of sand out. Like, I kind of wish you guys, like, there was a button to, or like I could make like a simulator game that feels like this, because it would honestly make you guys want to go get an Xtreme race clutch, honestly. Probably not for around town, not gonna lie, but I'm getting a daily driver for that. This is just gonna be pure savagery. and for sending it everywhere I possibly can. Brilliant. We're at a stop. Fuck. Well, I'm not even going to try and pull out from anyone because it will just send me straight into a fucking wall. Come on, dickheads. See? It nearly sent me. It's going to take some getting used to, but fuck me, it's fun, guys, honestly. Go. So that was a successful journey. Let's turn that. Shut up! Single mast flywheel, the stainless steel face bearing, obviously that huge thing that you saw at the start of the video. The only problem with this is what a lot of people say is that, oh, it's too loud, it's going to sound like it's broken, all this shit. I thought it was going to be louder because of people's opinions of that. So what I'll do now is I'll put my foot on the clutch and I'll show you what it sounds like. Listen. And it's only when the clutch is in, look. Alan's been an absolute legend fitting it for me. Unfortunately, like, I did really want to install this and do a proper video of the installation of it. There's a few people that have done it online already, so if you do want to see that, go check them out and then refer back to this video when you want to see some hilarious reactions of this clutch. So I'm going to get out of this car because it's like an oven in here. And yeah. I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. What you got? Why do you keep carrying that around? You're supposed to eat it. Didn't know, Xtreme clutch is actually Australian, mate. So big up to all the Australian boys out there. Thanks for making this clutch, and it's bloody beautiful. It's absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. Okay.